It is Dr. Nicole, and I'm just popping on. I thought I'd share a little breath work for you to help you maybe relax or de-stress from your day, and maybe clear your mind a little bit. Maybe it's been one of those weeks where you're mentally on overload or in overwhelm. And if that's the case, then we will try and figure it out together. And so first thing we're going to do is we're going to rub our palms together to generate some energy in the body. And so just so you know, if you haven't done any practice with me, we do operate generally through the meridian system, so which is based in Chinese medicine. And in your hand, there's a meridian point for every organ in your body, and every organ is linked to an emotion. And so when we rub our palms, we're generating some energy in the body, and we're just trying to activate the movement of energy in the body and prepare it for the meditation and the breath work we're going to do. So the first breath, I thought we'd do two. The first breath is we're going to do what we call supercharge your blood, meaning to oxygenate it first and foremost, and to fill it with prana, life force. Prana is the life force that runs through everything, and prana is very different from oxygen. We extract both when we take a breath in. And so prana is that the energy that gives us the ability to keep moving forward, to be resilient, to overcome, to be filled with life, right? So we're going to detoxify your blood of anything that's toxic, heavy, or poisonous. And then this is a preventative breath for illness. It boosts your immune system. It cleans out your lymph system, but it also gets out overwhelming emotions that are sitting in the body. And just so you know, like every part of your body holds emotion, and the chest, right, holds grief and loss and unforgiveness. And the lower abdomen, right, holds security and safety issues. Your kidneys hold fear, your liver holds anger, so on and so forth. So this breath starts to get out a lot of the stuck, stagnant emotions from the experiences that we've had in life, and anything that affects us adversely, we hold on to. And so that is considered trauma in our body. It doesn't have to be anything that's catastrophic. It's anything that left us feeling less than. So this is a great breath that allows us to kind of get rid of that. So we're going to take our hands and cross our arms and hold on to opposite shoulders here. This is a protective mudra for our heart, because we're letting a lot go, and so we're leaving ourselves vulnerable, and so we want to protect our heart. This also connects us with what we call the ethers, or the angelic world. And so this breath is 4 inhales through your nose continuously, and then 1 big exhale from your mouth, an O-shaped mouth. That exhale is where you let go, right? That exhale is where you expel all of the stuck, stagnant energy in you and all of the emotions that aren't serving you, right? So I'm going to demonstrate, and then we'll do it together. So it would look like, and so on, right? We keep repeating that pattern, 4 inhales, 1 big exhale through the mouth. And you can get lightheaded, so please, if I'm going too fast, you're gonna find a pace that works for you, because we are oxygenating your blood at a very rapid pace, and then also detoxifying your blood at a very rapid pace. And that means you're getting more oxygen to your brain, and it can cause you to be lightheaded, okay? So we'll do it for about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes, and we'll see what happens. So we're holding on to our own shoulders. 4 segmented inhales. That means no exhale in between, just 4 continuous inhalations through the nose and 1 big exhale through the mouth. Okay, so here we go. On a count of 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now inhale deeply through the nose. Hold the breath and smile. And then from the nose, slowly exhale. Good. And then we try to take a grounding breath, or a breath that works on our blood pressure. It equalizes our blood pressure. So we inhale up, exhale, push down. 2 more times. Inhale up, exhale, push down. And last time, inhale up, exhale, push down. Good. And then shake your hands out a little bit. So as you can tell, that breath is a workout for your lungs. It definitely is a cardiovascular workout, even though the rest of our body isn't moving. But it does expand your lungs because of the segmented inhalation, which makes you healthier in the chest and in the respiratory system, which we're coming up upon cold season and flu season. And so we want to prepare our lungs and detoxify our blood and be the healthiest we can be. So that works on boosting your immune system, but it also rids you of any overwhelm of emotion that isn't healthy for you. You don't have to think about what that emotion is. The breath does the job for you. Okay, so that's number 1. Number 2, after we detox, right, we want to be able to break through obstacles, meaning whether they're mental blockages, emotional obstacles, or even like physically plateauing in your, let's say your workout practice, right? This is to overcome any obstacle. So what we do, excuse me, we take our hands, our thumb comes in, we wrap our fingers around, we make a fist with the thumb in. This is a mudra. Mudra is a hand posture that directs or redirects energy in the body. And this is called Shakti mudra. Shakti, again, is creative life force, right? So we're trying to bring life to the whole body and get rid of, again, anything that's stuck or stagnant and keeping us small and not wanting to move forward. It's like trying to break through the ceiling, right? We all hit a plateau, kind of emotionally, mentally, physically, financially, spiritually. And this is an exercise that's breaking through blocks. Okay, so this is, again, life force. And the thumb is related to willpower. So when we're in a fist with the thumb in, we're working on willpower, determination, and confidence. Okay, so the hands then stay here. It looks like we're boxing. And as we push a hand out like we're boxing, we're exhaling through our mouths and we're slightly twisting the torso. So it goes. That's it. It's every time you're exhaling as you're pushing forward. And every time you push forward or you're punching forward, you're thinking about all of the things that aren't serving you, aren't working in life, and you're punching through that obstacle or that mental blockage or the wall that we always feel like is in front of us, right? So this is to go and make yourself triumphant through your trials, right? This is turning your mess into your message. This is one of those exercises. And so we're going to do it again, 1.5 to 2 minutes together. And I'm going to put on a song so that we can rhythmically move. So sometimes we use external harmony in music to internally harmonize ourselves. So, right, as this song is playing, it's going to look like this. And that twisting of the torso, also working on health of the heart and lungs again, cleaning the lungs, strengthening the heart, and then moving any stuck, stagnant emotion that's sitting at the bottom of the body, okay? So we're in our Shakti mudra, and on a count of 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to talk while you continue. This works on, right, speeding up your metabolism. It's good for your waistline. It also massages your kidneys, your liver, your digestive system. So it's good for gut health. 30 seconds left. Four more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now, inhale up. Hold the breath. Smile as big as you can while you're holding your breath. And then we bust out laughing to spread all of that prana. So as we exhale, we bust out laughing. And then we shake the hands down. All right. So the laughing part is a little odd, I know, but the brain can't tell whether your laughter is genuine or not genuine. It just knows that the corners of your mouth go up. It sends a signal to your brain that you're experiencing joy, and then it dumps happiness hormones or the mood elevating hormones into the body, oxytocin, serotonin, dopamine, right? So we know that if we're prone to depression, we have a lack of serotonin in the body. And so this breath and then laughing at the end kind of just spreads those happiness hormones through the body. So that's what I've got for you today. So a little cleansing breath, right? Clean the blood, clean the emotions out, and a little busting through blocks. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you sleep sweetly. And until next time, see you later, and many, many blessings to you. Bye.